Coming up on today's FAS Friday Off-Road Report, we've got new products for CFMOTO, Polaris, and Can-Am. An important update that can impact trails across the country, and one sale that you'll want to know before it ends tonight at midnight. Now let's get started.
FAS Friday Off-Road Report.
Welcome back, everyone, to another edition of the FAS Friday Off-Road Report. I'm JT with Team FAS Motorsports, bringing you the latest in new products, industry news, upcoming events, and sales from across the off-road world. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Now let's jump into this week's report. Before we jump into this week's new products, here's a quick update from what's going on around the shop. We've been staying busy, and our installation schedule is filling up pretty quickly, with July pretty much booked up. We still have some service installation spots and appointments available heading into August. So if you've been thinking about adding some accessories or getting work done on your machine, now's a great time to get on the schedule. May seem early, but now is also the perfect time to start thinking about winter. I know it's barely got past 4th of July, but if you're planning on adding a snowplow to your ATV or UTV this season, don't wait for the first snowfall. Don't even wait for it to get cold. Last year, a lot of stuff started going out of stock right somewhere mid-September. Ordering early gives you the best shot and the best selection of getting everything you need delivered and installed on your machine before the weather actually hits. And finally, we're preparing already for all of our inventory coming in for the Tar Hollow booth in September. If you're planning on attending the event, be sure to stop by and say hello. We look forward to seeing everybody in September. Now let's get into some new products. Our first new products this week come from Sport Concept Manufacturing, or SCM, with two new releases for popular utility platforms. First is the new Trailbreaker front bumper for the CFMOTO U10 Pro and U10 Pro XL. Built from heavy-duty steel tubing, it provides added front-end protection while giving the U10 a much more aggressive look. It also features integrated and mounting tabs for optional LED pod lights, making it a great upgrade for both work and trail riding. SCM also has released a new convertible door kit for the 2026 Polaris Ranger 500. The upper door sections can be removed to quickly convert from full doors to half doors, giving owners the flexibility to adapt to changing weather and riding conditions throughout the year. It's great to see manufacturers like SCM continuing to expand the product line across multiple platforms, whether it's a mid-size or full-size vehicle. Great to know that there still are aftermarket companies out there taking into consideration the multitude of machines available to the consumer. Next up is a new product for the 2026 Can-Am Defender HD11. SSV Works has introduced a new plug-and-play turn signal kit that integrates directly with the Defender's factory front LED lights and rear taillights without cutting or splicing into your factory wiring. The kit also includes hazard lights and a dash-mounted switch, providing a clean factory-style installation while making your Defender even more trail and road ready where permitted. Next up are a couple new products from DRT Motorsports. First is the aluminum front fender kit for the Polaris XPEDITION XP5. It replaces the factory plastic trim with precision-cut aluminum paddles that add durability while giving the machine a rugged premium appearance. DRT has also introduced the version 2.0 aluminum trunk enclosure for the Can-Am Maverick R. It creates a secure rear storage compartment that's perfect for carrying tools, recovery gear, and other trail essentials. I run a lot of DRT products on our vehicles, and one thing I really like about DRT is that they build products that not only look great, but are actually useful every time you head out on the trail. Wrapping up this week's products, Thumper Fab has introduced a lineup for the new ZForce Z10. They've released new aluminum roofs for both the 2-seat and 4-seat models, along with a new Wake Tower speaker bar designed specifically for the CFMOTO Z10 platform. It's exciting to see more aftermarket companies supporting the Z10, giving owners even more ways to customize their machines. Now we'll hop over into industry news. Our first industry news story this week involves the Recreation Trails Program, also known as RTP. The Recreation Trails Program is a federal grant program administered through the Federal Highway Administration that helps states develop and maintain recreational trails and trail-related facilities. Yes, that's a tongue twister for sure. But the current authorization for the program is set to expire on September 30th, 2026, unless Congress renews it as part of their next federal transportation bill. According to the New York State Snowmobile Association, the program has awarded more than $13.5 million for snowmobile-related projects across New York alone since 1993. But it's not just about snowmobiling. The RTP has helped fund trail systems used by ATV, UTV, dirt bike, and four-wheel drive enthusiasts across the entire country. If you're part of a local riding club, it may be worth checking with your organization to see how the program impacts trails in your area and whether you're encouraging members to support its renewal. Programs like this often work behind the scenes, but they play a significant role in maintaining the places that we enjoy riding. Our next story is a positive update from BRP and Tread Lightly. Their Drive 35 campaign has reached its original goal of 1,000 completed responsible rider masterclass courses. BRP pledged to contribute $35 for every completed course, resulting in $35,000 going towards conservation, responsible recreation, and trail stewardship. The campaign is now continuing with another goal of 1,000 additional course completions. Stories like this are important because keeping trails open isn't just about funding and maintenance. It depends on riders respecting the land, following local rules, and setting a good example for others. Upcoming events. The annual ATV scavenger hunt takes place tomorrow, July 18th in Turin, New York. On August 1st, the Sharon Pathfinder Snowmobile Club will host the 6th annual Vintage Sled Show and Swap Meet in Sharon Springs, New York. The event features a vintage sled show, motorsports swap meet, craft vendors, vintage cars, a chicken barbecue, and awards in 8 different classes. Looking ahead into August, the legendary Vegas to Reno off-road race celebrates its 30th anniversary, August 12th through August 16th. It's one of the biggest desert races in the country and always an exciting event to follow. This week's sales. If you've been thinking about upgrading your communication systems, you want to act quickly. The PCI Race Radio Summer Sales event ends tonight, Friday, July 17th at 11:59 p.m. This is your final opportunity to save on qualifying PCI communication products, including intercom systems, race radios, helmet communication, headsets, air pumpers, and all the accessories that go with it. We've run PCI communications in our car for a long time, and they're one of the best upgrades, and we highly recommend it. If you're not sure which setup's right for you, give Team FAS Motorsports a call, and we'll help put together the right system before the sale ends. Before we get to this week's question, here's one more quick bonus. Blender's Eyewear has just released their new Metal Millennia collection. Use the affiliate link in the description below. Spin the wheel on their website for a chance to win up to 15% off your order. If you use our link, we really appreciate the support. It helps us to continue bringing you these weekly reports at no additional cost to you. Now for the question of the week. Do you own a UTV, side-by-side, ATV, dirt bike, snowmobile, motorcycle, Jeep, or any other 4x4? Or do you have multiple toys for different seasons? Let us know what you ride and where you're from in the comments below. We're really looking to hone in on our audience and see what you guys have. And it really helps us out as far as bringing you the events that you want to hear, the products you want to see, and everything like that. Plus, we just like to know where our audience is and what you guys ride. That's going to wrap up this week's edition of the FAS Friday Off-Road Report. If you have any questions about the products, news stories, or sales we've covered today, don't hesitate to give us a call. Send us a message on Facebook or visit teamfasmotorsports.com. Remember, we have access to over 750 off-road brands, so if you don't see what you're looking for on our website, there's a good chance we can still get it for you. And if you've enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your riding buddies. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you out on the trails.
FAS Friday Off-Road Report. FAS Friday Off-Road Report.